Hi folks, my name's Lawrence Mann, this is Lawrence Can Draw, and it's the one place where you can come if you're an artist and creative and you want to see reviews by a professional working digital artist. So today we're going to be looking at this, the XP-Pen Deco Pro Medium. This is an 11 by 6 graphics tablet. So why is this any different? Well, this works with Windows and Mac OS as well as your Android phone. XP-Pen have included everything in the box that you need to get it off the ground to work with your Android phone. So let's check this out. So straight out of the box, this has some pretty impressive features. I love the touch dial included on the tablet here. I didn't know how to use this. I just plugged it in, started playing with it. The fact this works exactly like a touchpad on your laptop, I was really impressed by that. I've used a couple of others on other tablets and this has full functionality. It's fully programmable. There's a lot of hotkeys right here. The actual stylus works really well with Android. XP-Pen are one of the better tablet manufacturers and they're really showing that straight away on this tablet. It has 8,000 levels of pressure, 60 degrees of tilt. The stylus itself is really well built. It feels it. It's one of the better styluses out there to use. Yes, 11 by 6 inch. And I think for a price of around $100 or less, depending on where you look for this tablet, you'll be really happy. 5080 resolution. It's got maximum of 200 report rate, which I actually did think was maybe a touch low, but it did seem to work really well. Just when I was using it, I didn't actually notice any lag or anything like that while I was working. So yeah, absolutely great there. Accuracy is 0.01. I didn't need to calibrate it straight out of the box. This type of graphics tablet though, that's to be expected, especially at the price of around $100, £100. I think that's fine. The pen tube that comes with this is the same pen tube that's come with a few other XP-Pen devices. It's okay. I don't mind it at all. It's useful. At the end of the day, it does what it needs to do. Moving on to the tablet design, it looks pretty straightforward. Apart from the dial, XP-Pen have done a few of these dial designs before, and they seem to go down pretty well with the audiences that use them. Notice the logo is now that way up, so whether you're left-handed or right-handed or using it vertically, yeah, the logo is now the right way up. So all the left-handers in the house, woo! I'll just pop the overall dimensions on the screen for you. I'm not too sure of the weight, but it feels very light. The mechanical wheel here is absolutely fascinating and wonderful to use. It's about 50 millimeters in diameter. It allows you to move up, down, left, right. It allows you to click, double click. You can control minus and control plus. Really, it allows you for so much movement as well. So that in conjunction with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hotkeys, I think it's just got so much use over all the other tablets out there that you're going to get within this roughly the same budget, even a higher budget as well. The body is a very rigid plastic and aluminium combination, which makes it really tough and virtually unbreakable. Can't say I didn't try. So moving on from the tablet, don't worry, we'll come back to that because yes, we're going to have a draw test on the phone and on the computer. We find a mystery box, and inside the mystery box we get an instruction manual, pointers towards where we can download the driver.
we get a thank you card, warranty card, etc. We also get
XP-Pen have once again put in one of their funky gloves for you to use. I'm not the biggest fan of these gloves, but I know some of you guys really are. Bit weird.
Mystery box number 2. Comment below if you think you know what is inside this one. Nope, only joking. Of course you know what's inside this one.
I like the fact that on the USB cable, it's now side mounted, so it doesn't jut out at an awkward angle. You know, it's just one cable rather than having a separate power cable. The good thing is that you can also use one of the adapters. For me, that is one of the big features. You can use a micro USB adapter or the USB-C adapter on the other end of the cable to plug this into your Android phone. Now, you already know, if you're a subscriber to my channel, that I do a lot of phone drawing. Drawing on a mobile phone is absolutely brilliant. There are a few phones out there, or some of them coming out, that allow you to draw on Android. Absolutely brilliant. It's a shame that Apple never ever caught up or never wanted to catch up with phones for digital artists like us. But drawing on Android is absolutely spectacular. If you've ever watched my videos, I've got roughly about 30 videos for artists who fancy drawing on their phones. This is something that's absolutely spectacular. You can achieve some really gorgeous artwork. If you want to go and check out the artwork that I've done, go and check out my playlist for the Samsung Note videos. Drawing on this is a whole different experience, because instead of drawing on that size screen, drawing on an 11 by 6 inch tablet, fantastic. And having this means you can just take it from your computer or your laptop and then take it out with you and draw on your Android phone. Now, if you don't have an Android phone, maybe it's time to upgrade. And if you're worried about switching from your iPhone, don't. When I upgraded from my Apple phone, virtually every app that I had, there was an alternative, or the exact same app existed. Same when I switched from my MacBook Pro to a PC, every application existed. And in fact, I only ever had to buy one of them again. All my licenses were easy to switch. Realistically, using an 11-inch drawing tablet to draw on your phone when you're out and about, something you can just slip in your bag and then pull out, I think that's fantastic, because it means that you really can do some great artwork. And modern day Android phones are really, really powerful. You know, they've got some great processors in. The same kind of processors really in terms of power as the low-end computers. Yeah, overall I'm just really, really impressed by this. The quality of the tablet itself and the quality of the stylus, the quality of the specs included.
I always say go more for the quality of the pen and the specs there, and the size of the tablet. To me, are the two most important things to look for in a tablet. Let's stop for a moment and talk about the experience of the tablet with the computer. We've talked a lot about the experience of the tablet with the phone. To me, the reason for talking about that in this review is because that's something we rarely ever see. But yes, a lot of you will be buying this for the tablet experience with the computer. And you know, that is a very good reason for buying this tablet. Here you can see me using it, and the app I'm using is Sketchable. I've got a boatload of videos about Sketchable. Check out those videos. This pen comes with over 8,000 levels of pressure, 60 degrees of tilt, and comes with 8 replaceable nibs and a nib remover, etc, etc. All the nibs are hard. The tablet surface is slightly textured, and it's a hard surface with no give in it. And for me, it kind of, even though I'm a digital painter and I've done a lot of comic book work in the past, it kind of feels like this tablet lends itself to doing comic book style work. I would tend to do more comic book style work on this than I would digital painting. I don't know why, it just feels more natural to me. If that's your style, then this, I think, I can recommend this wholeheartedly as a good tablet for your style. I think it's a really good tablet to just pick up and get going. If you're an artist just getting into digital art, I think you're going to find this a really nice, easy tablet to begin with. Certainly for the amount of money, I don't think you're going to have any problems. Long term, I think this will be a nice, long-lasting tablet. It seems to be really well made, especially compared to other tablets around the same budget that I've tried. So the experience with the computer, yeah, installed really quickly. It has a lot of options. Really happy. I know I keep saying that. Not a lot to complain about. You know, I would like some different nib options to go with my different styles of digital painting and drawing, etc., etc. But I don't think that's too much of a necessity. $100, you know, maybe that's something you pay extra for. Manufacturers like XP-Pen could provide that. I think that would certainly be a great thing to look at. Right, other than that, I can provide more information in other videos. If you need it, let me know and I should come back to it. Overall, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't be afraid to hit the like button because it does not bite. And if you want to subscribe, I will put up more videos, of course, on similar subjects. And it means if I put up an update or I take one of the drawing tests from this and put up a longer version, if you fancy watching that, then let me know. When I do that, you'll be alerted in your feed. So, like I say, let me know in the comments below what you think, what drawing tablet you're using, what devices you're using. Do you draw on your phone? Let me know in the comments below if you have any other questions. And I shall speak to you all very, very soon. Have a wonderful day and ciao for now. Stay creative.